Alright guys, so here's some bonus content for you. I want to show you an app that I love to use. There's a free version and a $4 version. I highly recommend the $4 version. You won't get any watermarks, you won't have to crop anything. For $4, you'll make your money back on your first shirt too. So here it is right here. It's called Typorama. If you're on an Android device, it is called WordSwag. Very similar app. So what we can do here is we can put words, customized designs onto a background. So what I like to use this for is for the transparent background specifically. So go ahead and hit that. What this is going to do is, as you can see, all of these are different types of designs that you can do with words. So we'll double tap in here. If you get lazy making shirt designs, you can get a random quote, and if you think it's cool on a shirt, go for it. So this one looks pretty cool. Dream big and dare to fail. So let's go ahead and hit done. And what we can do here is you can keep hitting these sections multiple times, and they really make the designs for you. And when you save this and when you upload it onto Teespring in the create and sell, they're like 200 dots per inch, so you don't have to worry about the 120 dots per inch. And you can really play around here and make a bunch of cool shirt designs. So this is how I like to make my shirt designs. It takes no time and saves a lot of. I used to make them all manually. This is a great one. So this is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and zoom in just to get rid of that. You see that border there? I don't like those on shirts. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Just make sure it's centered. That's the big thing. That is about perfect. So we'll go ahead. You could change the color if you like to. You can put multiple colors in, anything you like. So let's just do black for this example. OK to share. Gallery. And from this point, it's right in your camera roll. You can see it's right here. It's got a transparent background. And you would send it right to yourself. So again, message, email, AirDrop, whatever you like. This way you're going back onto your computer. So get it on your computer and then upload it as art in Teespring, and you basically just made a whole shirt with an app. So it saves a ton of time, and you could get really creative with it. I'll show you another use for it. So if you want to create some clever content for Instagram, so I'll show you what I mean by that. Something like this, Happy Labor Day. I mean, and stuff like this really blows up when you post it as well. Even things like this. You could just pick a themed background. Like on this one we did tropical, so you can see a lot of the quotes here are all tropical. And you can just throw in some quotes in there. It's a nice touch. So like thanking people for following, that's huge too. It's just very easy on the eyes, and it looks like it took a long time to make, but in reality it's with that simple app. So that's a big one. I hope you use that. Highly recommend it. Don't be afraid to buy the $4 one. You won't regret it. It's a price of a cup of coffee, honestly, and you'll make it back on your first shirt. Hope that helps a little bit.